Friends, I just watched the entire 8.5 minutes of the body cam footage of the arrest of George Floyd. And I am furious. I feel like I have been duped. I feel like I've been set up. And as an American citizen, I feel like this entire debacle, the chaos that is ensuing on our streets all over the place, is not warranted. I'm going to show you some clips of how these officers tried to get George to comply over and over and over again.
I see your hands.
Damn, man.
Stay in the car. Let me see your other hand.
I'm sorry.
Let me see your other hand.
Please,
Both hands.
do nothing.
Put your hands up right now. Let me see your other hand.
What I do though? What we do?
Put your hand up there. Put your hand up there. Hands on the wheel. Put your hands on the wheel.
I'm sorry, brother.
Who else is in the car?
This is my
Put your foot back in.
I'm so sorry. God dang, man. Man, I got shot the same way as I was before.
Okay, well, when I say let me see your hands, you put your hands up.
I'm so sorry, brother.
You got them?
Man, dang, man.
Put your hands on top of your head.
Last time I got shot like that was I was
Hands on top of your head. Hands on top of your head. Step out of the vehicle and step away from me, all right? Step out and face away. Step out and face away.
Please don't shoot me. Please, man.
I'm not going to shoot you. Step out and face away.
I'm going to get out of here, man. Please don't shoot me, man. Please, man. I just lost my mom, man.
Step out and face away. Step out and face away.
Please don't shoot me, Mr. Officer. Please. Don't shoot me, man.
Step out and face away.
You're not shooting me, man?
I'm not shooting you. Step out and face away.
Okay. Please, man. Please. I didn't know, man.
Get out of the car.
I didn't know, Mr. Officer. I didn't know.
Right now.
Even his friend that's standing beside the car is pleading with George to stop resisting.
Right now.
Stop moving. Put your hand behind your back then. I'm not going to do nothing. Face the door.
Get his other arm.
Hey, you come back. Stay in the car. Stop resisting, man. Yes, you are. Stand up.
Against the wall. Yes.
What I doing?
We're figuring out what's going on. Drop the bag.
The man was caught. He was under arrest. He had handcuffs on, and they were imploring him to just get in the car. Just get in the car, George. All your pleading and begging was pointless. If you would have just gotten in the car, the rest of what did happen would not have happened. And now the absolute insanity that has erupted all over our streets and our country, and this racial tension that has erupted between good American people. It would not have happened. It wouldn't have taken place if you would have just complied. If you would have just got in the car and stayed in the car. You were in the car. Why didn't you just stay in the car? Why didn't you just stay in the car?
Ouchie,
What,
man.
are you on something right now?
No, nothing. You acting erratic.
Let's go.
Yeah, man.
Let's go.
Yeah, man. Yes. I was just moving earlier.
Let's go.
All right, let me calm down now. It's feeling better now.
Keep walking.
Okay, now, do me one favor, man.
No, when we get to the car, let's get to the car, man. Come on.
Dang, man. Oh, man. God, don't leave me, man. Please, man, don't leave me, man.
Here.
I
want to watch that car too, so get him in.
Stop falling down. down. Stay on your feet and face the car door.
You get a seat on him?
Please. No. Please. Get out the door, you, man. I just want to talk to you, man. Please, let me talk to you, please. You ain't listening to nothing we're saying, so we're not going to listen to nothing you're saying.
Can you watch that car? Just make sure no one goes in it.
I hear you, but you are going to face the door right now.
Listen up. Stop.
I'll do anything. I'll do anything y'all tell me to do, man. I'm not a resistor, man. I'm not. You can ask him. You know me, you know.
Take that side.
God, man, I'm going to do nothing like that, y'all. Why is it going on like this? Look at my wrist, Mr. Officer. I'm not that kind of guy.
Other side.
Mr. Officer, I'm not that kind of guy.
Stop.
You please. I'm not that kind of guy, Mr. Officer. Please.
Face away.
Please, man. Don't leave me by myself, man. Please. I'm just claustrophobic. That's it.
Well, you're still going in the car.
Anything sharp on you? I won't do nothing to hurt y'all, Mr. Officer. No, sir. Why? Nothing. I don't have nothing. Why y'all doing me like that, Mr. Officer? Please crack it for me and stuff, man. I am claustrophobic for real, Mr. Officer.
You got him?
Could you please crack it for me, please?
Yes, I'll
Remember my
crack
name.
it.
Stay with me, man.
I will.
Please stay with me, man. Thank you. God, man. I didn't know I was doing that, man. Please, man. I just want my hand, please. I don't want to do none of y'all, man. Nothing.
You got him?
Inside in your pocket real quick on your shirt. I'm listening. And I understand that people do stuff.
All right, he's good. This guns, whatever. There's nothing worth
Okay.
Grab a seat.
Okay.
I'll roll the windows down, okay?
Please, man. Please don't do that. Take a seat. I'm going in, Mr. Officer. I'm going in. No, you're not. I gotta go in. Take a seat.
Grab a seat, man.
Mind, y'all don't believe me, Mr. Officer.
Take a seat.
I'm not that kind of guy. I'm not that kind of guy, man. Take a seat. Y'all, I'm gonna die here. Take a seat. I'm gonna die, man. You need to take a seat right now. And I just had COVID, man. I don't want to go back to that.
Okay, I'll roll the windows down. Hey, listen.
Dang, man.
Listen.
I'm not that kind of guy.
I'll roll the windows down and
Please,
you pull your
man.
legs in, all right? I'll
Y'all
put the air on.
stop. Look at that. Look at that.
Not even listening.
Look at it. Look at it.
We can fix it, but not while you're standing out here.
Okay, man. God, y'all do me bad, man. Man, I don't want to try to win. I don't want to try to win. I don't want to win. I'm claustrophobic. I'm claustrophobic. I got anxiety. I don't want to do nothing to them.
I'll roll the window down.
Man, I'm scared. When I start breathing, it's gonna go off on me, man.
Pull your legs in.
Okay. Let me count to three. And I'm going in. Please. I'm not trying to win. I get on the ground, anything. I can't stand this, man. He know it.
You get in this car, we can talk.
I'm claustrophobic.
I'm hearing you, but you're not working with me.
God, I'm claustrophobic, man.
Slide your butt over here, I'm going to pull you in.
Get in the car. In the front.
No, you're not getting in the front.
I'm claustrophobic, so
Get in the car.
Okay, man, okay. I'm not a bad guy, man.
Get in the car.
I'm not a bad guy. Man. Please, officer. Please, please.
Take a seat.
Please, man. Please. No.
Take a seat.
I can't choke. I can't breathe, officer. Please.
Fine.
My wrist, man. Please. I can't take this, man. I can't. I'm gonna lay on the ground.
Get in the squad.
I'm gonna lay on the ground. I'm going down.
Get in the squad.
I'm going down. I'm not breathing.
So for all of the millions of Americans out there that felt like I did, like my heart was being ripped out of my chest to see what I saw when George was murdered, I still believe that. At least now we have some context as to why these officers took the lengths that they did, and I still don't agree with them with their knee on his neck, that one cop, and the rest of them not doing anything. I don't agree with that. But is it worth tearing our country apart over this one man that just didn't comply, that just didn't get in the officer's car and stay there? Is this why we're tearing the country apart? And there was nothing racially motivated about any of it, friends. There was nothing racially motivated about how George lost his life if he had just complied. But the absolute chaos and insanity and murders that have taken place since George's death, since his untimely death, it's disgusting. It's despicable. And all of the racial tensions that have been inflamed over what took place with George could have been avoided. He is not Dr. Martin Luther King, and I don't like ever talking negative about anybody, and I'm not even talking negative about George, but certain people have likened him to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Are you kidding me? That man was nothing like the great Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. And that man should not be why we allow this country to be torn apart. This is my opinion. I'm sharing with you how I feel. I'm disgusted and distraught that it took this long to get this body cam footage released, but I'm glad that it's finally here. David J. Harris Jr. here, friends. If you like the messages I bring, I think you'll love my book. Get it at davidharrisjr.com. It breeds unity, faith, love, and exposing the narrative of the mainstream media and Democrat politicians that just want to absolutely destroy, I believe, destroy the foundation of this country and send us into a socialistic regime where we will lose everything that we hold dear in this country. Please share this message.